welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming the what's in my bag video. I hope you enjoy this and get a sneak peek of what I carry around. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and keep watching. So the bag itself is a red, like vinyl-y type bag, very durable from VW. It was $15 and I bought it recently because I do have a Michael Kors bag which slings over your arm, but I walk a lot at work and during the day, so I needed something I could carry over my shoulder just to help me out with that. So this is what I bought. I get comments every day on where I got it from and how nice it is. It is very basic, but I think it's a nice staple to have in my wardrobe as well. And I go for black every time, so this is why I thought I'd go for the red, something different. Well, why not? So I'll show you what's inside. There is a really big space in here. It is very unorganized at the moment. I do need one of those organisers that go in where you can slip everything in. If you have any ideas of where I can get those from, please let me know in the comments. That would be much appreciated. But I'll show you what's inside. Firstly, I have my Kate Hill wallet. I don't really use this a lot because I do carry everything mostly in my phone, but obviously I still need bits and pieces of stuff in here. So this is my Kate Hill wallet, and this is my phone pouch. I do have quite an older iPhone with nothing wrong with it, the 5S, which I like. And I just keep all my cards, my license, my travel card and everything in here for me, so that makes it really easy. The next thing I have is just a little Tupperware bottle of water, which we love. These are expensive, but I never had any issues. They're BPA free and they're amazing. We've got them in this smaller size and the 1 litre size as well, and I think they're just great. Next thing I have is the extra white peppermint gum. Love this flavour, and I love them in like this canister type thing. I used to carry them around in the little sleeves that you get, and they fall out and go all soft and gross really. So this is a really great way to travel with them in my bag. The next thing I have is this deodorant that I stole from my mum. She's got a lot of them around the house and I just thought I'd try it out and see if I like it. It's the Body Crystal Botanica Crystal Roll-On Deodorant. It's quite on the natural side, natural mineral salt, sensitive skin friendly, alcohol free, aluminium free, not tested on animals, so I quite enjoy that. I do have some Nurofen in my bag. I suffer from migraines and headaches, so if I've got that on me if I need it. I've got my sunglasses. This is what they look like on. Bit dirty at the moment, horrible. They're like a purple and orangey. I feel like they're like an aviator style. These are from Roxy and they are prescription for me, but I really like them, and you can't go anywhere in Queensland without your sunglasses, so I love these. Next thing I have is the Rescue Remedy Spray, relief from feelings of stress. I suffer from anxiety and sometimes I get a bit overwhelmed, so spray a little bit of this on your tongue and I feel like, I don't even know if it's placebo or not, but it helped me kind of calm a little bit, so I find that that's really good. The next thing I have is just my car keys and house keys, pen. I've got some hair products. I've got some hair ties and some hair clips for myself and Lily. Got 3 lip products, which is surprising for me. I seem to just throw them all in my bag and then come out and then all of them are in here. So we firstly got our Holy, something that we use multiple times a day, Clinton and I's Nivea Repair and Protect SPF 15. I used to suffer from a lot of cold sores, but since I met Clinton, he uses this regularly on his lips. I found that I have had less cold sores, excuse Lily in the background, less cold sores, my lips are more hydrated, and win-win. I've also got the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Milan, which I love, like a soft pink. And then the colour I'm wearing now is the designer brand's Matte Long Wear Lip Gloss, which I'm not sure it's a lip gloss, but anyway, in Eternal 513. I love this. I get comments on this all the time and it's one of the best reds that I have, and I feel like it looks really nice on me, so love that. Next thing I have is my 2018 diary, and this is personalised to me, so it's got the family name down the bottom, and then each person has their own area, so it's got myself, Clinton, Lily, family together, YouTube and house and work, and then I plan for each person and I kind of know what everyone's got on, and I just absolutely love this. This is by tinime.com.au, where I designed this. Not sponsored, not anything, I just really like it and found it recently, so it's great. And last but not least, I've got another little notepad, just as then and now. I think I got this from Kmart for a couple of dollars. I put my video ideas in here. If we're out at a restaurant, Lily will do some drawing and some doodling in here. It's just good to have on hand when I think of an idea. I'll put it in here. I'd like to move more to a digital base, but I'm still very much a paper person and find it easier to do that than navigate my phone sometimes. So that's it. Bag is empty. That's most things I carry around. If I have Lily with me, obviously she's got allergies, I'll put her EpiPens in here and some wet wipes in here just in case. But on a normal work day for me, this is kind of what I'm carrying. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!
Mama,
You need my sunglasses?
and my phone.
Here's my phone. Turn around and show the camera. Put them on. Put them on.
Okay, try.
Look at all your jewels.
Yeah, I need yours.
You need my phone. Who are you going to talk to?